I snagged this gem at a flea market for $2. Walden, Worcester.
Worcester!
Thanks, Chuck. Walden, Worcester. I was happy to find that it seemed to operate. I didn't want to have to remove those rivets. I started by cleaning the wrench with mineral spirits. Then I used a wire brush and my hand drill to knock off the worst of the patina. I used my Dremel to reach the nooks and crannies the bigger wire wheel couldn't get. I found a couple wire brushes that would fit the 1/2-inch square hole. I wasn't able to get this oiler ball detent to move. I tried some heat, but it was still frozen. I decided to leave it stuck in this position rather than risking jamming it into the housing. I flushed the mechanism with WD-40 while it was still warm. Look at all of that liquid patina I was able to get out. Isn't it disgusting? I love it. At this point, I would consider this wrench ready for eBay. I decided to try to make it prettier. I used my belt sander to take out some of the dents and dings in the handle. Some of the dents were deeper than I wanted to go with the sander. I thought this would be a good test for the fiber wheels. I had some viewer comments about the safety of using the fiber wheels on a high-speed grinder. These are only 6-inch diameter wheels, and the reducer bushings keep the wheels nicely balanced. I feel comfortable using the fiber wheels like this. Obviously, everybody has to work at their own risk and comfort level. Here's the wrench after the fiber wheels. I was able to blend some of the nicks and dents. Getting around the rivets was tough. I tried my Dremel and homemade Scotch-Brite discs around the rivets to see if I could make an improvement. This part was unnecessary, bordering on ridiculous, but a certain shop mascot insisted. Okay, Chuck, I'm flitzing. This is what the Walden 916 1/2-inch drive socket wrench looked like when I brought it home from the flea market. I think it looks pretty snazzy now. I saw John Fix use a similar green on one of his recent projects. As luck would have it, I found an almost full can of moss green Rust-Oleum spray paint for 50 cents at a yard sale. Painting the lettering with black enamel was tedious, but I think the black letters look good with the green. One of the best places online to find information about vintage tools is Alloy Artifacts. Walden started out in the early 1900s with a wire-handled socket wrench. How cool would it be to find one of these? By the 1920s, Walden was offering wrenches and sockets based on the half-inch drive standard. My model 916 was introduced in 1932. Walden Worcester eventually changed its name to Stevens Walden and stayed in business until the 1990s. I actually have a couple Stevens Walden spin-tight nut drivers in the hoard. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Okay, let's test this thing out. I worked some 3-in-1 oil into the mechanism and the ball detents on the drive plug. You pop it off the socket and push the plug through to reverse the ratchet action. Works like a champ.